All right, drink we're about to make is a Passion Daiquiri. That sounds lovely. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in there. Let it sit while you're mixing up your drink, and it should be nice and cold by the time you're ready for it. All right, we got our ice in a glass, and we're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of light rum. And follow that up with 1 tablespoon of passion fruit juice. Got that right here. 1 tablespoon. And now we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. So you can either cut up a lime and squeeze it in, or you can just grab a plastic one and do this neat little thing here. All right, that should be about 1 lime. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Okay. Now let's go ahead and shake it up. You just want to make sure you get your powdered sugar dissolved in with the rest of the drink. Get it nice and cold. All right, dump out your ice water and set up your glass. And go ahead and pour it in. You have yourself a Passion Daiquiri. Bottoms up.